Hello, good day guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money in dollars. And have you ever imagined you earning in dollars and spending in naira? Yes, that's what today's video is going to really talk about, how to earn in dollars in Nigeria or any part of the country. So before I start this video, I want to say thank you for successful 600 subscribers. During my hustle here on YouTube, I've been able to hit 600 subscribers. Thank you guys, thank you for following me up right from scratch. Thank you for everybody who have been returning back to this channel. So let's get into the video. So before I get into this video, I want you guys to know something. Nothing of value comes for free. During my working years online, I usually make most of my money here online. So let me just say I am an online freak. I know how much I spend in buying data to access other stuff here online. So I am an online freak. So nothing of value comes for free. Let me explain. The internet you're using is something of value. And does it come for free? No, it doesn't come for free, because you have to buy data in order for you to access the internet. So it is not for free. So those of you who want something of value that can put money into your hands, you have to take, or you have to give what it takes. Yes, because nothing of value comes for free. Now let's get into the video so that I can show you guys something. Now if you can check here, this is the amount made from dollars. Okay, this is the amount earned in dollars. As you can see, $14,452.77. Now will you tell me that this kind of money will just be made without you putting something? No, it can be made. It will be made when you're ready to risk something. Okay, so this is the amount made from Metaforce. I've been making videos about Metaforce, and most of you are taking it like it is not something, it's not serious, like it's rubbish. But Metaforce is really making millionaires. So let me show you guys some images and some screenshots of payments from Metaforce. As you can see, this other person just got 16 BUSD from Metaforce during his days of staying on Metaforce. All these ones are also screenshots of payments from Metaforce. All these ones are also screenshots of payments from Metaforce. Let me show you most of them. As you can see, this other person made $640, which is also equivalent to $640. This other person made including 1,280 DAI, which is also equals to $1,280. So that is how we earn on Metaforce. So you can earn money from Metaforce by referring people, or you can make money from joining an active team. I'm not going to be explaining that much here. I'll be commenting a link to my WhatsApp in case you want to learn about Metaforce. Just click on the link to message me on WhatsApp. Let me show you some screenshots of payments soon. As you can see, this other person made $150 in just a week, and this is the amount translated to naira. As you can see, $103,959.30 that was made. Okay, then this other person, as you can see, many people are making money out here of Metaforce. As you can see, in November to this person got another payment. That same day we got another payment. So this is how we make money here on Metaforce. Our payments are daily. As you can see, this other one, $75, 35 naira. So all these screenshots have been shown you. Have you seen naira? Have you seen any naira sign apart from when someone wants to convert it to Nigeria currency? That's when we get our money in naira, but we usually earn in dollars here on Metaforce. If you want to learn about Metaforce, just click the link in the pinned comments to message me on WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, $456. Now imagine making up to $456 per week. Now convert it to naira. That's what's your salary, or more than your salary. By now, this is what we that are using the phone and using our brain are making here on Metaforce. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity. Just click that link now, because there will be limited slots. So just click on that link to message me on WhatsApp now, so that you can be able to learn how to start Metaforce and how to be able to make a living here out of Metaforce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to also message me on WhatsApp for you to know how it works, and I will catch you up in my next video. Bye and stay safe.